12 hours of silence, occasionally broken up by random sound effects. You're probably thinking, why would anyone watch this? Well, some fun things you can do with this video include anticipate for the next sound effect and wondering when it will be, keeping you on the tip of your toes. You could put it on loop and go to sleep, and get woken up in the middle of the night by a random. You could try to guess the name of each sound effect, like a trivia game or something. You could secretly play it in the background of a friend's device to confuse them. Play this while you study. It all depends on what you want to do with it, and that's for you to decide. Click on my link in the bio, subscribe, and watch the video out now. Thank you.